We are off to do some, what's it, like ATV bikes, where Steven's gonna drive and we're gonna sit in there. We hope it's about an hour of fun. So.
When you see the sun, do you like it better when the sky is blue? I know I do. In a summer state of mind.
Oh, and look up money. She got a little splash of mine. Look at Emma. She got money. I got it too a little bit.